Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Wait.
What does the dictionary say?
A definite amount determined on scales to show how heavy an object or quantity of a substance is.
Math rap.
Weight is so much more than the mass of an object. It's about how much force is placed upon it. Downward force by pull of gravity at a rate in meters per second squared of 9.8.
Math rap.
Shed some light on your thoughts about this heavy subject. Why do objects weigh more when they're wet? Experiment with a sponge, a shirt, and a smartphone. Just kidding. Never get a sponge wet. Double kidding. Soak the sponge, but keep your smartphone dry, please. If weight is all about the pull of gravity and we're standing on a spinning ball called Earth, consider this. If you jump straight up and down, can you land exactly on the spot from which you jumped? Weigh in on that. Do things weigh more on Earth or on the moon? Why? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!